I have always been fascinated by hummingbirds. I have had feeders around my home in St. Thomas, off and on over the years. I recently hung this feeder. It took about a week for them to show up with any regularity. I believe there is a couple. This looks like the larger male. This looks like the smaller female. Quite a long tongue? Looks like it to me, as I didn't put out any straws. A nice long sip. I think I will spend a number of hours watching them. I hope they become more comfortable with my presence.